welcome to MGTracey here in London. So this time of year, if you're looking for gifts for your coffee lovers, there's lots of unusual things to get, or for birthdays indeed. In fact, this one's from Amazon, and this is called Happy Birthday Coffee Lover. Now, if you don't have coffee machines or you find them all too much hassle, then this is possibly for you. And if you're not sure if the person you're buying for has a coffee machine, then this system allows you to have a reusable system where you really can be your own barista and produce really nice coffee from ground coffee beans, fresh. And you come with 5 different ones in this particular pack, and you'll find it's around 12 quid or something on Amazon. So there's a very simple system. It doesn't look very likely, does it? But really, we're going to pop open the top, boil the kettle for boiling water, we're going to pour it in, we're going to seal it, leave it about 4 minutes, we're going to unscrew this bit, and it's as simple as that. We're then going to pour out a coffee. And it does taste really good, although maybe the packaging is a bit off-putting. You can recycle this when you're finished, or you can open it, take out the used coffee that's in there, put that in your food waste, refill it with fresh ground coffee and use it again. So let's have a go. I'm going to boil the kettle and we'll get cracking with the first stage. Here we go with the coffee brew. The first thing we're going to do, this one is from MGTracey, just pop that open and you can just see in there, you can see where the coffee is. Pop that open, keeping it vertical. Pop that open there, you can see where the coffee is. Now that's what you're going to pour in. So you want to pour in about a cup worth of hot water from the kettle. Obviously being careful that you don't pour it over your hands. I've boiled the kettle, and from the minute you pour this in, the water starts going through the ground coffee and through the filter, and that should do us. When you've done 1 or 2 of these, you get to know just how strong you're going to want it, and the coffee now will just drain through there. So now the water's in there, we're going to leave that to brew for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and it's just a question of then pouring it out. Right, so we're given that 5 minutes. If you like a stronger brew, leave it a bit longer. You could put less water in. About 300 ml is going to give you a medium taste. Now the whole pack is quite warm, so be careful. And now just hold that and you can pour that out. Oh, that is a fantastic smell. There we are. There we go. Now, if you want to recycle this, you now can empty that in your food waste, refill it with your own favourite coffee. You want about 4 heat teaspoons, that sort of amount. And then you can do the whole process again, and when you're finished, it will go in the same recycling as your milk carton. Almost like just a little splash of milk in there. Take the edge of the bitterness off. There we go, let's have a go at the all important taste test. Yeah, that is lovely. I mean, these, even though they're packs, having fresh filter coffee like this, it's so much better than instant. That really is lovely. There's a lot of depth to the flavour. It's not too burnt or whatever. I've not been paid or incentivised, but anyway, these have just been ordered by me from Amazon. And you can do the same. I'm an Amazon associate, so if you do order from my links, I earn a small commission, but you still pay the same price, so everybody winner. Have a great Christmas. I'll see you in the next video. Support from London saying cheerio and enjoy your coffee.